So here's the basement. It gets a little bit damp down here, particularly in the springtime with the melt. Not uncommon for an older home. There is a sump hole. We had some really, really bad downpours last night, and it doesn't look bad down here. I don't think I would use it for storage because it is damp, but I've certainly seen worse. They've got replacement windows, and they've got one more to replace. And this is the stairway. So I'm going to go back upstairs.